Hello guys. If your ThinkPad docking station suddenly stops showing anything on the external monitor and the screen stays black or undetected, it can feel upsetting when everything worked normally before. Sometimes the ThinkPad laptop charges through the docking station, but the monitor never appears, while other times the external display disconnects unexpectedly after startup. A situation like this can happen because of loose monitor cables, display settings, connection interruptions, or temporary docking glitches that are easy to overlook. Before assuming something major completely stopped working, there are few simple things worth checking because many ThinkPad docking station monitor problems can improve after quick adjustments. In this video, let's go through several easy steps to help fix a ThinkPad docking station external monitor not working. Try these. Step 1. Disconnect and reconnect the ThinkPad docking station to the ThinkPad laptop carefully. Step 2. Check the monitor cable attached to the ThinkPad docking station if the display stays black. Step 3. Open display settings on the ThinkPad laptop and search for the external monitor manually. Step 4. Restart both the ThinkPad laptop and ThinkPad docking station if the monitor still does not appear. Step 5. Try another display port on the ThinkPad docking station if connection problems continue. Step 6. Test the ThinkPad docking station again and confirm the external monitor starts working normally.